I'm Jeanette Lane, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the latest Stamps by Chloe card making collection kit. And we're so excited because if you don't know Chloe or her brand Stamps by Chloe, my goodness, she has impeccable taste. So we can't wait to dive into this box. There are over 50 pounds of crafting goodies and discounts inside. So let's open the box. This isn't my box, it was loaned to me, so I have to be very careful. I haven't got my own copy yet, so I'm being very careful removing this little tape here. And a little shout out to Lee Campbell, who is the editor of the Stamps by Chloe card making collection Ideas magazine. Thanks, Lee, for letting me borrow your copy. Okay, so first up we have the 68 pages Ideas magazine. I'm gonna flip through this in just a bit, but there are 75 projects for you to try, so that's gonna keep you plenty busy. And then we have some papers and toppers in here, which I'm also gonna flip through. And we've got a little bundle of goodies here. So these are the dies, the stamp set, the embossing folder, and also the coordinating stamps. Did I mention stamps? I hope so. Did I mention a stencil? Goodness, there's so much in here. So let me open up this package and we can take a closer look at everything included in the kit. I've taken everything out of the packaging, and the first thing I want to show you is my personal favorite, which is the poinsettia panel die. And I love it because, first of all, it is very elegant. And also, it's worth mentioning that the poinsettia die coordinates with the stamp set as well. And let me show you the stamp set next. Okay, so here is the stamp set, and the poinsettia panel stamp has been designed to stamp onto the die cut panel. So they coordinate together perfectly, and that makes it so much easier when you're coloring your stamps to just die cut those with the coordinating die. So that's really great news. Next up, we have the A6 size embossing folder. And what I love about this is the flourish around the poinsettia design. I don't know, it's just really elegant and fancy to me, and perfect for all of your winter makes. And then we have a 2-in-1 snowflake stencil, which is perfect for some backgrounds. You can make some inky backgrounds with some distress inks for some fun effects. And you can also use it paired with some texture paste to add some dimension and texture to your projects. Now, before I do a quick flip through of the Ideas magazine, I wanted to show you some of these papers and toppers that are included in the card making collection kit. So there are 126 papers and toppers in here, and some of these designs coordinate perfectly with the die set as well, the poinsettia panel die set. And I love the colors in here. They're very Chloe, very fun, very beautiful, elegant. They put you in that festive mood. Oh my goodness, I love these winter wishes elements here. And also we have some poinsettia prints here. And I love the non-traditional colors as well. And now I want to show you just a quick little snippet of the Ideas magazine so that you can see how the design team and also Chloe herself, how they all used the gorgeous panel dies, the stamp set, the embossing folder, the stencils, and also the papers and toppers in different projects. So not just cards, also there's off-the-page projects and some home decor ideas as well. Now, like I mentioned earlier, there are 75 projects for you to try with contemporary ideas, off-the-page projects, home decor, and even a flower masterclass. And what I'm really excited about is that some of the inspiration, some of the projects in the Ideas magazine have been created by Chloe herself, so you can get inspiration straight from Chloe. Now, besides Chloe's inspiration, you can also take a peek at Chloe's diary and her brand new Christmas release. And on top of that, there's a chance for you to win 500 pounds worth of prizes. Isn't everything so delightful? I can't wait to have a play with it. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing, and don't forget to grab your copy of the latest Stamps by Chloe card making collection kit.